Hello my people, welcome to Rextai TV. Welcome to this family. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and click on the bell beside it so you get notified anytime we drop a new video here in this channel. Alright, let's jump straight into today's video. We don't want shippers gift. Phyna has revealed during his interview a few hours ago. Yes, she said the shippers of a thing will drag them out on social media, that they want everything to be on a low. According to her, she said everything related to Groovy currently now is on a low, that they don't want anything that will bring side talks and stuff like that on social media. I will leave you guys to watch the video. See you guys in the next one, as Groovy and Phyna relationship is now validated.
You see Groovy matter for now.
Yes.
It's on the low. Me, I check my 100 million first.
Jesus Christ, they don't use and dump Groovy.
No, we not use and dump.
Groovy when you collect from another woman, you
no,
want dump.
I know. Point of correction. I not collect Groovy.
But they say you may go toast person. Amaka say go toast this boy because your girlfriend don't come on the house. Now you collect
the I not collect the guy.
Okay. The guy that bring himself.
The guy bring himself. Tell me, say make me be in girlfriend.
And I said don't babe.
No man, I go put body. You understand? So for the 100 million matter, the 100 million day and in plenty, so I still share with Groovy. But just that. This my 100 million, one chopper in private. I
so
want
Groovy not did this matter.
No, now they talk. So we want chopper for grounds. We don't want loud down. You understand?
But on a serious note, that side he has anything they when you feel say if it happen between you and Groovy. Because we know say you para for the last party when it happened. Because you say it kind of like ignore you. It will beauty too. Yeah.
Even
Amaka too ignore you. And we see the reaction.
The Groovy matter now for outside here. Me and now we don't but we not to talk like that, Shabo. So we don't conclude, say, okay, like this, we'll check as they go. So maybe the thing just say press because the tension choke.
But one small advice before I move to Bella right now, you say if you not decide really move things, not forget, shippers will support you now, and you go also receive more gifts. You don't work for former housemate.
Yes.
But now why you don't say they go pretend to their relationship for like 1 year just to collect which go benefit you now to also put money for your pocket.
Really good advice. Special advisor.
No, but you see that shippers thing. Now that one go. We not want. We not
want to want force you now.
Yes, so because we can't manage ourselves. So we not want. That's why we say maybe we just deal like say we not deal. We not want to just deal.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on This is war with the enemy.